As Governor Greg Abbott has elevated Texas's response to the new World Screwworm fly threat to a level 2 activation, ordering the full use of state resources to help prevent the parasite from spreading. And that move comes as the number of confirmed cases continues to grow and state officials work to protect livestock, wildlife, and the Texas economy.
KPRC 2's Rochelle Turner looks at what the new World Screwworm threat could mean for people, pets, and even the price of beef.
The new World Screwworm is rare to humans, but health experts say it's still important to stay aware. Some of you wanted to know how this parasitic fly could impact ground beef and the price you pay at the store.
Well, it really shouldn't affect anything as we think about short term, 4th of July coming up, the rest of summer. It shouldn't really affect anything because it doesn't. That we've had these couple of cases really doesn't affect our current beef production. If we had a sustained long-term outbreak that we just couldn't control very well, it would lead to much higher production costs by ranchers, which would lead to fewer cattle and less beef production.
Experts say you also don't have to worry about getting sick from beef you buy at the store.
So this really is a disease of flies. It's the adult flies laying eggs on you, or more likely cattle, that causes the disease. Now, certainly the food industry wants very clean processing, so they are going to ban any meat that might be affected by the screwworm, but that's not how you acquire the disease.
Texas now has 4 confirmed cases of New World Screwworm across 3 counties, prompting Governor Greg Abbott to elevate the state's response and activate additional resources to contain the flesh-eating parasite. Although no human cases have been reported in Texas, health experts say the parasite can affect people in rare cases.
These are very creative little parasites. If it lays an egg near an eye, it will tunnel into the eye. It can cause blindness in some cases. Newborn babies have the umbilical stump. Both of the cattle this was detected in were newborns, and they were infected at their umbilical stump. So you don't have to have a huge open wound to be at risk for this.
The outbreak is already having international impacts. Canada has temporarily suspended livestock imports from Texas. Reporting in Houston, I'm Rochelle Turner, KPRC 2 News.